Are you looking for the best dash cams under $100? In this video we will look at some of the 8 best dash cams under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Peugeot D6 360 Dash Camera. Peugeot D6 Dash Cam comes with 2K resolution and 145 degrees wide angle to give you crisp, clear footage. This 2K is an excellent feature since it allows you to get all the necessary details on the road, such as license plates, pedestrians, and lane signs. The wide angle enables it to capture more lanes without blind spots. The industry-leading Starlight Color Night Vision combined with the 6 Full HD spherical glass lens provides high-quality captures even in low-light environments such as snowy or rainy days, tunnels, and nighttime. Its compact design ensures it never gets in the way of your view while driving, while still allowing you to record what happens in the exterior of your vehicle. One outstanding feature that separates this dash cam from other budget dash cams is its choice of sensor. While other dash cams use the normal G sensor to save costs, the D6 Mini Dash Cam has a built-in 3D sensor. This sensor is more responsive than the normal G sensor and triggers the camera to record an emergency video when the vibration occurs. The best part is that the video will be continuous footage, not a video clip of pictures, as you get with other dash cameras. Number 2. Q2 Dash Cam, Galfi. If you think 4K on a dash camera is overkill and 1080p is just average, the Q2 dash camera is the perfect balance for you. This dash cam comes with a 2K resolution camera to provide sharper footage than a regular dash camera. The G sensors allow you to get locked footage in case of a collision. Under the hood, you get the advanced G-Sync MOS plus 6G 170-degree wide-angle lens for crisp video recordings. The cam can also come with Super Night Vision, f/1.8 aperture and WDR, to allow crystal clear recording even in bad conditions such as nighttime, snowy or rainy days, and times when you are driving in tunnels. The Q2 Dash Cam also has built-in Wi-Fi that connects to the Peugeot app. This app lets you choose your dash cam settings, and view and download footage to your smartphone. You can also share the footage on social media from the app with a few clicks. Installing this dash cam is easy, even if it's your first installation. The slim and compact design also ensures that the unit doesn't obstruct your driving view. And although it doesn't ship with a memory card, you can get one and insert it into the dash cam. Number 3. DC44 Dash Cam, Izika. The DC44 Dash Cam has a full 1080p HD camera and a 170-degree wide-angle lens to reduce blind spots and capture necessary details. It also ships with a 3-inch LCD screen that provides real-time viewing while you are on the road. You can also use the replay function to review past events and other vehicles that may have come in contact with your car. You have easy mounting options to choose from. The first option is to use the suction cup mount. This option lets you securely orient the dash cam and quickly remove it anytime. If you want a more secure and compact installation, you should use the white adhesive-backed mount option. Like other good dash cams, this unit records videos in a loop. So when the memory gets filled up, the dash cam automatically deletes the oldest unprotected videos to make space for new footage. The built-in G sensor automatically locks footage when it detects sudden crashes and shakes to prevent accidental erasure or overwriting. Number 4. ARIF Q3 Dash Cam. ARIF Q3 Dash Cam offers all the essential features, such as a 1080p camera, to help you stay aware of what is happening. The camera features the advanced G-Sync MOS plus 150 degrees wide angle plus 6G lens, so you can get crystal clear footage in case you need to settle disputes or provide evidence for car accidents. You are getting a bargain for all its basic and advanced features at less than $100. Many dash cams stop there, but this one takes things a little further. It has an app you can install on your Android or iOS device, The app lets you set up a live stream and download and edit footage. You can also share your videos on social media platforms such as YouTube and Facebook with the tap of a button. Its compact design makes it an excellent addition to your car without taking up too much space or obstructing your view. Number 5. M23 Channel Dash Cam, Galfi. When dash cams first hit the scene, you had to buy multiple units to capture what was in your front, rear and side. Technological advancements have allowed manufacturers to combine all of these into one product. And when it comes to low budget, high quality dash cams with 3 channels, the M2 dash cam is one of the best you can buy. The M2 dash cam has a triple channel setup that simultaneously captures your car's front, cabin, and rear. This setup provides all the data you need to resolve disputes and catch staged pedestrian accidents. Stay updated on everything outside your car with live video feedback on the IPS screen. The front camera comes with 1080p resolution, while the inside cabin and rear cameras are for 720p. That is enough quality to identify places, analyze events and make the correct conclusions. You get full situational awareness in both night and day thanks to the super night vision on the exterior camera and rear cabin light for the inside cabin camera. The best part is that the dash cam unit automatically locks the footage when it detects a bump or collision, providing real-time evidence to resolve disputes and accident claims. If the internal memory is filled, the system will override the oldest unprotected files to store the new footage. Number 6. Vantrue N1 Pro Mini Dash Cam. The Vantrue N1 Pro Mini Dash Cam has a compact design to ensure it doesn't get in your vision while driving. However, don't let the small size fool you. This mini dash cam comes with an FHD 1080p camera equipped with super night vision and a 160 degrees wide-angle f1.86 layers glass lens to capture all relevant road details, including license plates. Vantrue designed this dash cam to work with trucks, SUVs, and trucks. If it moves, this dash cam is excellent for it. With its advanced Sony sensor, this dash cam can detect collisions and bumps and automatically lock in footage that you can review later. When you turn off your vehicle, the dash cam will continue to run in standby mode and automatically come online when it detects vibration. However, you must get a hardwire kit to enjoy the standby mode. Aside from the night vision and HD camera, this unit also has GPS tracking, audio recording, and a time-lapse function. This feature lets you track your car's location, speed, and driving route. The inbuilt mic provides high-quality audio recording even in noisy situations. At the same time, the time-lapse feature takes photos at a preset interval and merges them into a video clip. Number 7. A10 Dash Camera for cars. The A10 Dash Cam offers super sharp, high-resolution video footage to give you all the data you need to defend your case. It comes with a 170 degrees ultra-wide angle to capture more detail and super night vision to capture license plates in poor lighting conditions. With its super large IPS display screen, you can quickly review video data, identify license plate numbers, and spot all the actions leading to the collision. The result is high-quality evidence for the moments that you need the most. It has a USB charger. It also has a highly sensitive G sensor that automatically locks the current video recording into the memory card for future review. You can also set the video to automatically save footage every 1, 3, or 5 minutes depending on your preference. If the internal memory gets filled up, the unit automatically deletes the old videos to create space for the new ones. Installing and uninstalling the A10 Dash Cam comes as easy as mounting it onto the windshield. It automatically comes on the moment you turn on your car engine and goes off when you switch the ignition off, so it doesn't drain your car battery. Number 8. 100 New Dash Cam, Izika. The 100 new dash cam from the Izika brand has full HD resolution and a wide-angle lens that provide a wide viewing range and produce crisp, clear footage. You also get excellent video quality when driving at night or in a tunnel thanks to its night vision, WDR, and f1.8 large aperture. This dash cam automatically starts recording when you turn on your car. It provides up to 5 minutes of record time even after you have turned off the vehicle. You will need to turn on the parking monitoring function for this to happen. If you want the video recording to go on for longer, you will need to get the hardwire kit. Its loop recording function and automatic emergency recording are some of the other benefits of this dash cam. The loop recording function automatically overwrites your oldest unlocked videos to free up spaces for more footage. It also comes with a built-in sensor that automatically detects a bump or shock and saves the footage as evidence. So even if there is no vibration, but you find